Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2Dev. Today, we're going to learn something super cool: how to hack any IR remote using a TSOP 1838 sensor and an Arduino. Whether you're a beginner or an electronics enthusiast, this project is going to blow your mind. So let's dive right in. Hacking any remote allows you to decode its IR signals, enabling you to repurpose old remotes for DIY projects. You can use them to control LEDs, appliances, or create custom home automation systems. It's perfect for building universal remotes, smart home setups, or even interactive robotics projects. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino board. Any model will work, but I'm using an Arduino Uno. A TSOP 1838 IR receiver module, a breadboard, and some jumper wires I am connecting directly to Arduino. A few IR remotes to test. And, of course, a laptop with the Arduino IDE installed. First, the TSOP 1838 is a popular IR infrared receiver module used for detecting modulated IR signals. It is widely used in remote control systems, automation projects, and electronic devices. The TSOP 1838 detects IR signals modulated at 38 kHz. This modulation ensures it ignores ambient IR light, for example, sunlight. This sensor can detect IR signals from long distances, up to 10 meters, depending on the transmitter strength. First, let's connect the TSOP 1838 to the Arduino. It's super simple. Connect the VCC pin of the TSOP to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. Connect the GND pin to the ground on the Arduino. And finally, connect the out pin to digital pin 11 on the Arduino. Nothing complicated, right? Next, we'll install the IR remote library in the Arduino IDE. Open search window, search for IR remote library, and download the zip file. Go to Sketch menu, go to Include Library, and select Add Zip Library. It will install the library. Once the installation is completed, you can see it in Manage Libraries section. Now, let's write the code. Don't worry, it's straightforward. We'll use the IR remote library to decode the signals and print them to the serial monitor. You can copy the code from description. Upload this code to your Arduino and open the serial monitor. Make sure the baud rate is set to 9600. Now for the fun part. Grab any remote and point it at the TSOP sensor. Press a button and you'll see the IR code appear in the serial monitor. Let's try it out. Amazing, right? These codes are unique to each button, and you can use them to control devices, build your own universal remote, or even automate tasks. Once you have the codes, the possibilities are endless. You can use them to control LEDs, appliances, or even build a smart home system. For complete builds, follow us. And that's it for today's project. You've just learned how to hack any remote using a TSOP 1838 and Arduino. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Let me know in the comments what cool projects you're planning to build with this. Until next time, happy hacking!